Hey, what's up everyone? It's Liane V and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited because it's almost summer and I decided to do some beach waves. So this is how I achieved this look. So this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more YouTube videos and I'll see you guys soon. No, but for real though. Comment below. Comment below what your favorite thing to do in the summer. Alright, I'm out. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Liane V and my mom Prima.
Hi.
Also known as the real Mommy V on Instagram, so make sure to follow her. Today I am doing her glam. This is going to be her first time getting super glammed up, so I'm excited.
All right,
Are you
let's
ready?
do it. Yes.
Okay, let's do it.